Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is my 200 special 200 subscribers special video. First of all, I would like to thank you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for subscribing to me, and most importantly, thank you for always supporting my channel and just filling my videos with very inspiring comments. So really thank you to you guys. Now I asked you guys the question that what special 200 subscribers special video should I do for you guys, and you guys chose the question how I spend a day in my life. So here I am with a video telling you guys how I spend a day in my life. So, first of all, my early mornings are a bit very buzzy as I wake up at around 6 am or sometimes a little earlier and get ready for school. Yes, I go to school. Um, and then I go to school by bus, so I have to get up a bit early, and as my bus comes a little early, so yes, I get ready, like of course I take a bath and everything, and I get ready in my school uniform. And sometimes if I have some time, I just like look at the comments. Otherwise I just after coming back home, I look at the comments that you guys have put on my videos. But at school I spend like most of my time doing the schoolwork and taking notes. Then again, as I return home by bus, while chatting with my friends, of course, because of course, I have my friends in my school bus, so I chat with them while coming home. So of course, I like chat with them while coming home, and after that, as I reach home, I eat my lunch. Of course, like as I come home, like of course I wash my hands and then I get dressed in my comfortable clothes at home. And sometimes, like you see in India, the weather right now is very hot, and it will become more and more hot as time passes. But because sometimes it becomes so hot and so sweaty for me, as I come back home, I just take a bath again. It really helps me to like cool down. So I take a bath again if I wish to, and after that I change in my comfortable clothes and I sit and eat my lunch. After that, after eating my lunch, I go to my room and reply to all the comments on YouTube that you guys put. Of course, you guys comment on my channel, so I reply to them. I reply, thank you, glad you enjoyed it, and all of that. And then I also watch other videos like posted by other Velcro channel. I watch those videos, I comment on them. Sometimes I can't comment on each and every video, but I watch all of them. I love to watch all the videos by other Velcro channels, so I watch them, of course. And then if I have some pre-recorded videos and I want to post them, I just go ahead and post the videos. And I usually don't do a lot of editing in my videos, as you guys must have seen my earlier videos. You guys would know that I don't do a lot of editing in my videos, especially. So not that much hard work has to be done in editing. Yeah, while recording the videos, of course, a lot of hard work is to be done. But yeah, while editing, I don't really do editing in my videos. So I just upload the videos that I have pre-recorded if I have to upload it that day. Okay, just keep it here. Yeah, and after that, I like rest for a while. Yeah, I like watch my mobile or all these videos. As I said, I watch the Velcro ASMR videos, and um, sometimes I like to watch like the funny moments of BTS members or other K-pop groups that I like to watch. Um, After that, after resting for a while, not for too long. Like I don't usually sleep after I come back home, because if I sleep in the afternoon, if I take even a quick nap of 1 hour or half an hour, I'll not be able to sleep properly at night, and I mostly waste a lot of my time. Like once I sleep, I will think of taking a half an hour nap, but it will end up being a very long nap. So I usually don't take naps at all in the afternoon. So after resting for a while, just laying down on my bed, I then get up and I record some videos of my channel. um Usually I don't record every day, of course, because sometimes it really becomes very exhausting for me to record videos. So usually when I have some time, or maybe on Sundays, on Saturdays, or maybe someday when I'm feeling energetic and I'm feeling like recording videos, so I just take my phone, take the phone stand, take my Velcro, and I just start recording the videos. Mostly I record videos when I have like a lot of requests, or any request at all. I just record those requests. Or suppose if I have to record some other videos, or maybe I'm running short of pre-recorded videos, so I record them. And usually it takes a lot of time, because the video must be of like only 5 minutes long or 6 minutes long, but in between I have to pause the video again and again to the clutter of velcros that is all around. Like here on the in front of the camera, there is only the velcro that I'm like tearing up, but on the other sides of the camera there are a lot of velcro, a mess of velcro, a bunch of velcro around the camera. So I have to pick that up, I have to arrange them again in my basket. Yeah, now I keep my velcro in a basket, so maybe I'll show it in some of my other videos. But yeah, so just picking up all the velcro and everything, it takes a lot of time. So I just record videos when I have a lot of time. After that, I like after doing all these things, I sit down to study. I do my homework. Usually, my school gives me a lot and lot of homework, so I complete it, and then after that, I study for a while. After doing my homework, I'm really exhausted, so I study just for a while, and then I go and eat some snacks and read books. I love to read books. By the way, guys, if you don't know, I really love to read books. And if you ask me what kind of books I read fiction books. Not like I read fiction books, not non-fictions. I hardly have read. I have actually, I can count them. I have read just three or two, I guess so. Yeah, two non-fiction books so far I have read. Otherwise, all of my books are fiction. Then after reading books, I again, and instead of reading books, like suppose if I don't want to read book that day, so I play piano. Yes, I play instruments. I must have not told, I don't think so I have told this in my channel before, but I know how to play piano. I would not say really well, but yeah, good enough for me to like playing it every day. So yeah, I play piano if I'm free, and like if I want to learn new songs, and also I just do all that stuff. And then again I sit to study. I again study, and then after doing all that, I study till it's time for dinner. So I have completed all my homework, so now then I focus on my studies. And I mean that I don't go to any tuitions or coaching, so I just do self study at home. And sometimes my sister helps me in studying as well. And after that, just a minute. Yeah, so after that, after I complete my studies for the day, I go and have dinner with my family, with my sister and my mother and my father. I go like have my dinner. And after having dinner with my family, I again return back to my room, and I set my school bag for the next day. If there's Sunday the next day, I just enjoy. I'm like, woohoo, tomorrow's Sunday. Otherwise, I just like set my bag for the next day. um After that, I sleep. Yeah, after setting my bag, I just like, actually I chat with my sister too in all between of all these times. I like also chat with my sister, but mostly I chat with my sister while going to bed. So like we both go to bed, and like we are talking to each other, like because we both stay in the same room. So we talk to each other, we share chats about how we spent our day today and all of that stuff. So we talk about all the sister stuff, and not only sister stuff, all kind of stuff. Yeah, so I talk to her, I chat with her, and after that I sleep at around 10 p.m. I would not say 10 p.m. actually. Like I go to bed actually at at least 9:30 I go to bed, and then I like chat with my sister a lot, and then at around 10 p.m. my eyes close. At about around 10 or 10:30 I finally sleep, and then again the next day the same process repeats. And if you asked me what I do on Sundays, as I don't have school on Sundays or like on any holidays, actually I wake up at 8 or something, and sometimes of course you see I am a very normal person, so sometimes I wake up really late, and like I mean really late. Sometimes it even takes me 9 o'clock to wake up, because I'm so tired and my body does not respond to me, and then I'm just sleeping. Like suppose I mostly wake up at 8 o'clock, or yeah, 7:30, 8 o'clock, but I don't have the energy to get out of bed. That's the case with me on Sundays. So I just lay down in bed, and then finally when I get up, I like go brush my teeth, take a bath. Usually on holidays I wash my hair. So yeah, I do washing my hair, and I have pretty long hair, so it takes me a lot of time to wash my hair. And then I like eat my breakfast with my family, chat with them, then go and after bathing and all, I study, because of course on Sundays we get a lot of time to study, because we don't have to do any homework. I mostly complete the my homework of Saturday on Saturdays itself, so I don't have to waste my time on doing homework on Sundays. So I study for a while, and then I do extracurricular activities like playing piano or reading books or anything like that. Like doing something that I love, or maybe it can be making a mix of random crunch. Yeah, so I do that too sometimes when I'm free, or I talk to my sister, I play with her and all. And yeah, and then I again like eat something, go to eat my lunch, and then I again study and like play study. That's all that happens on Sundays. The day becomes really long. Like it feels like Sundays are really short actually, but like some Sundays, but on sometimes they really feel very long to me, because I don't have anything to do. And yeah, so like yeah, I study mostly on Sundays. I focus on my studies, and I focus on my channel actually. On Sundays I have a lot of time, so I just record videos for my channel. And more like to right now, like I'm recording this video. Today is Saturday, so I'm recording this video because I'm free. Today was a holiday at my school for certain reason, so that's why I have a lot of time, so I'm recording this video. So yes, I mostly focus on my channel on Sundays, and then at night I just of course I feel sad that oh no, tomorrow is Monday, but then I also feel happy because on Mondays we have our PT periods. So yeah, so after that I just pack my bag again for the next day's school, and then I go to school the next day. That's all I do. That's how my life's going, guys. And I really want to thank you guys again for helping me achieve my goal of 200 subscribers. Really thank you to you guys all. I promise you all that I will work very hard on my channel, and I will keep being dedicated to it. And thank you for all the support that you guys have given to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and I hope that you have a marvelous day ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.